This video is going to show you two different ways to access the SMCPS resources located in Schoology. First, open up your Schoology account. Once you're here, the resource page is part of a group, so you're going to click on Groups. Once you're in your groups, you're going to click on SMCPS Schoology Resources. This takes you to the updates page where Bernadette and Heather have given us information that we need as the year is going to go on. You will find their updates on this page. To find the resources, you're going to click on the left side, Resources tab. Once you are in the Resource tab, the resources are organized by units, each unit having a specific topic to focus on. As you look through the units, you will find information you need to help you with almost everything that is located in Schoology. Some of these units are archived because they are no longer being used from the school year. The unit we're going to focus on is connecting to Google Drive. Inside here, you will find many pieces of information on how you can install and add content from your Google Drive, both for yourself and for your students. For parent resources, you can click the Parent Resource tab at the bottom of the screen. All of the information located in here, when it's added, will be able to be sent to parents. Right now, anything that is available to parents, I have already sent to you. The second way to enter the Resources page is to, from your main page, click the Resources tab. Since the SMCPS Resources is a group, you will click down to the word Group. Once you open the group, you will see every group that you belong to. Find the SMCPS Schoology Resources group and open it up. And the same exact information will be there as well. Both of these ways take you to the same exact place. It's just a preference on how you want to get there.